morning, my dear student. Our topic number 8, multiples and factor. Today we learn prime number, composite numbers and co-prime number. In maths, prime numbers are whole numbers. Prime numbers are whole number greater than 1. Prime numbers are whole number greater than 1 that have only two factors. How many factors? 2. 1 and the number itself. How many factors are there? 2. 1 and the number itself. Prime numbers are divisible by the number 1 and or itself. Prime numbers are divisible only by the number 1 or itself. Prime numbers have how many factors? 2, 1 and number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the first few prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the first few prime number. Means 2 have also 2 factor, 3 also 2 factor, 1 and 3. 5 also 2 factor, 1 and 5. 7 also 2 factor, 1 and 7. 11 also 2 factor, 1 and 11. What is a composite number? A composite number is a natural number. Composite number is a natural number or a positive integer which has more than 2 factor. More than 2 factor. For example, 15 has factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. Hence, it is a composite number. Composite number has how many factors? More than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Composite number is a natural number or positive integer which has more than 2 factors. Composite numbers, here given prime number and composite number. 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. 4, 6, 8 and 9 is a composite number. A whole number that can be made by multiplying other whole numbers. A whole number that can be multiplying by other whole number. Here given 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by 3. Other whole number. Example, 6 can be made by 2 into 3. So, is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. 2 is a prime number. Multiply by other whole number. 2 multiply by 2, 4. 4 is a composite number. 8 also composite and 9 also composite number. But 7 cannot be made by multiplying other whole number. 1 multiply by 7 would work, but we said to use other whole number. Here other whole number we can use? No. We can use here 1 multiply by 7. 7 ones are 7 means 7 is a, so is not a composite number. It is a prime number because it have only 2 factor, 1 and number itself 7. All whole numbers above 1 are either composite or prime. 1 is either composite or prime. Now look here, prime numbers. A prime number is any number that can only be divided without a remainder by itself and by 1. Here given red box is here. Look here, red box. This red box numbers are prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These numbers are prime number. These numbers have how many factor? 2 factor. 1 and number is itself. Remaining numbers are composite number. 1 is either prime or composite. But 4 is a composite number. 6 composite. 8, 9, 10. These remaining numbers are composite numbers. Now look here, prime and composite number. 2 is a prime number, 3 also prime, 5 also prime, 7 also prime, and 11 also prime number. Composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Composite numbers can be arranged into rectangles. Composite numbers are arranged into rectangles. But prime numbers cannot. Composite number we can arrange into rectangles, but prime numbers cannot. Now here given prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 47. These are a prime number. These numbers have only two factors, one and number itself. This is a composite number. 1 to 50 are given. Composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26. Like this, these numbers are composite number. 0 and 1 neither prime nor composite. 0 and 1 neither prime nor composite. By the definition of co-prime numbers, if the given set of numbers have 1 as an only common factor, then the given set of number will be co-prime number. Only 1 is a common factor. Means 1 is a common factor means then the given set of numbers will be co-prime number. Now here given 14 and 15. Factors of 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Factor of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. What is a common here? Here only common is a 1. Means 14 and 15 are co-prime number. Next one 11 and 17. Factors of 11, 1 and 11. 17, 1 and 17. What is the common here? 1. Means 11 and 17 are only one common factor. So 11 and 17 are co-prime number. Next one 15 and 18. Factors of 15 and 18. 15 factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factor of 18 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. What is common here? Here common 1, 1, 3, 3. Common factor of 15 and 18 are 1 and 3. So 15 and 18 are not co-prime number. Here how many common numbers are there? 2. It is a not co-prime number. Co-prime numbers have only 1 as the common factor. Here 4 and 5. Suppose we write the factor of 4. So what is the factor of 4? What is the factor of 4? 1, 2 and 4. What is the factor of 5? 1 and 5. What is common here? Here common number is a 1. Means 4 and 5 is a co-prime number. 4 and 5 is a co-prime number. Now 22 and 24. Factor of 22, 1, 2, 11 and 22. Factor of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. What is common here? 1 and 2. More than one common factors, not co-prime numbers. 11 and 30. What is the common factor of 11? 1 and 11. And common factor of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. What is common here? Here common number is a 1. Means only one common factor. They are co-prime number. What is the prime number? Prime numbers have how many factor? Prime numbers have two factor, one and number itself. Composite numbers have more than two factors. Composite numbers have more than two factors. Some questions. Circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Here given some number. Circle the prime number. Those are prime numbers. Circle there. Now look, 22. 22 is a prime number. No. 22 is a prime number. No. 37. 37 is a prime number. 43 also prime number. 53 also prime number. 59 prime number. 79 prime number. And 97 also prime number. Remaining numbers are composite numbers. Remaining number are composite number. 22, 48, 60, 91, 57, 77, 100. These are numbers are composite, and those numbers are underlined. These numbers are prime number. Now look the question. 50 and 52 are co-prime number. Factor of 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Factor of 52, 1, 2, 4, 13, 26 and 52. How many common factor here? 1, 1, 2, 2. So 50 and 52 are not co-prime numbers. How many common factors are there? 2. Means 50 and 52 are not co-prime numbers. Next question. 10 and 33. 10 and 33. Factor of 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Factor of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factor of 33. 1, 3, 11 and 33. How many common factor here? Only one. One is a common factor. So 10 and 33 are co-prime number. 10 and 33 are co-prime number. Only how many common factor here? 1. So 10 and 33 are co-prime number.